Old Alabama Gardener here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a really good low-carb brownie. Folks, I know many of you are trying to be more healthy, and you're trying the low-carb or the what's called the keto way of eating, and I too am doing that, and I have lost a lot of weight, feel better, and doing better as a result of it. So it is a good habit to get into. Now, one of the things that you miss when you're doing a keto or low-carb eating is something sweet or some kind of a dessert. So in this video, I'm going to show you my version of a low-carb brownie, and it's really, really very good. So now this is not my recipe. It's one I've taken off the internet, and then I have modified it or changed it to do what I think is make it even better. So this is quick, it's easy, and it's very good. And you can make some alterations to it if you want to. I do mine in a microwave oven. You may not want to use a microwave oven, and I will tell you right now, I have not did this in a regular oven, so I don't know how long or at what temperature you would need to bake it in a regular oven. Now notice that this is a organic stevia blend, and the two components in it are stevia, of course, and then another sweetener called erythritol, and I'll spell it out in the description box below. But what this amounts to is that if your recipe called for 2 tablespoons of sugar, then you would use only 1 tablespoon of this stevia blend. I want to tell you a little bit about this sweetener called erythritol. I have trouble pronouncing it. Now I'm looking at an article on the computer, and it's from Women's Health Magazine.com, according to the International Food Information Council. And here's what it says about this sweetener. It says it's 60 to 80% as sweet as sugar. The question then comes up, is it a carb? And the answer is technically yes, but it isn't absorbed by your body. What it does is it passes on through your body and into your urine and out. It doesn't make you fat, doesn't make you drunk. Even though it's a sugar alcohol, it doesn't make you drunk or anything like that. There's been some studies on it, and there's no proven links to any kind of cancers. Now, it does say that some people might be sensitive to it. So if you're using it and you are sensitive to it, obviously then you probably don't want to use it or shouldn't use it. This one is titled from a source called Ditch the Carbs. It says that erythritol is non-glycemic, does not raise your blood sugars or insulin. So really, really important for diabetics and really important for everyone. Now this is from a place called healthline.com. And it says, generally speaking, half of the carbs from sugar alcohols can be subtracted from the total. But the exception is this product that I'm talking about right now, this erythritol. And it says that it is the only sugar alcohol where its carbs can completely be subtracted from the total. In other words, if it says it's 12 carbs, you could subtract all 12 of them and it would effectively be 0 carbs. So that's an important point. But as with all sweeteners, if you're diabetic or pre-diabetic, you know, you need to see how your body handles things. You never know for sure, because most of these things are written for the general population, and each individual is a little bit different. So you need to make sure that it's not harming you if you're going to use something. Okay, let's get on with making our brownies. All right, so here is our low carb brownie. Low carb keto brownie. So I'm going to give it a taste test. See what it tastes like. No sugar in it. Looks good. Got chopped walnuts in it. That's good. It's got just enough of a sweetness, so that's good. And you know how healthy this is for you, because it's low carb. Really, really good. You know what I want to say now, don't you? Haha. I wish I could give you this bite. Or I give you one of these right here, so you could try it, so you can see how good it is. You see, healthy food can be good. Doesn't have to be bland. That's good. I suggest that you pause the video at this point and read this chart carefully.